Hello guys, this is Chris and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about plasma lighters. This is another popular item in our store. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so help this small channel grow. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Help our small channel grow, and in the future we're gonna do giveaways if we reach 1,000 subscribers or more. And let's go check out these babies here. So mirror finish, it's not my favorite. It gets dirty very fast. These, they arc pretty good. This is the battery life. This is how you charge them. These are all the same. This one you have to hold the button on. It's a little bit more safe, I believe. The USB port there. These, they're all around. Pretty cool designs. Chinese or Japanese or they are pretty nice. So these are more women's. You can see the battery life there. These are pretty cool. The fire button is a car. Pretty catchy colors here. So we even have more here. Most of them come with a battery indicator, so you know how much charge you have. So one last one here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Soon we're gonna have more amazing items in our channel. Have a good one.